Welcome to a groundbreaking revolution in the Gambia, where innovation and sustainability meet. Fortis Invicta's integrated circular economy hub is making impactful changes, saving a staggering 100,000 trees annually. At the heart of this initiative is sun powered drying that replaces the need for firewood and charcoal. This inventive method not only conserves our precious forests and protects our air quality, but also enhances the profits for local farmers. Imagine tomatoes, mangoes, and okra dehydrated by the sun, preserving their natural nutrition and vastly extending their shelf life. This advancement opens up new export market opportunities. But Fortis Invicta doesn't stop there. By incorporating biogas, briquettes, halal processing, and zero waste technology, they have created Africa's first modular refinery that produces food, fuel, and fertilizer simultaneously. This groundbreaking initiative is not just about business, it's about creating a sustainable future for all. Be part of this change. Join the revolution and learn more about this transformative journey at www.fortisinvicta.com.